U.S. Israel, stop the slaughter!
U.S. Israel, stop the slaughter!
Gaza must have food and water!
Gaza must have food and water!
Not another nickel, not another dime!
Nickel, not another dime!
No more money for Israel's crime!
Hi, everyone!
Hey,
It's so
Judy.
good to see all of you here, all my old friends and new friends as well. It's a great day to say no to the war, no to militarism. We want a new world, a safe world, where people can live in peace. And as long as the U.S. war machine continues, this will not be the case. I just want to say that I'm proud of you and I'm happy most of you have come quite a distance to join us here. And we want you to know how grateful we are for your presence. At the same time, we want you to know that we've been coming out here since at least 2011 or 2012 on Earth Day to tell the military we do not want them to destroy our world. We're paying, and we want an end to this now. Drones, military jets, aircraft carriers, violence everywhere. And the United States is at the heart of it. And we need to stop. We need to let Venezuela go. We need to free President Maduro and his wife, Celia. We need to stop bombing Iran. We need to stop bombing Gaza. We need to stop destroying Lebanon, tearing it apart politically and physically. We need an end to these wars, and we need it now. So we need to let people know that that's where we're at. We've been doing it for many years here, and this is a good place because the military's right here. And although you don't see them, they can hear us and they can see us. So let's just make a big ruckus and let them know our feelings. We are the people. Yes, there's only a few of us here, but we represent the intentions of more than 80% of the population of this country. The people are tired of war. The people are tired of poverty. It's time to stand up and say it. And every time you come out, bring a friend. Because they agree with you. Your family agrees with you, even the people who won't come out. Everyone agrees with you. So let's move forward and have a great day today. And no more war. Let's save the environment. Everywhere the military goes, they're dropping poisons, not just bombs, but poison everywhere, including in our own country.